autonomous state movement had completed 36 years, yet there is no any sign for the implementation of Article 244A at the parliament, says Surjo Rongphar, executive member of KAL. MSc Avijit Crow appeals the citizens to send their children to local educational institute rather than sending them to neighboring district for education. Not possible to complete everything in short period, but assures all the works to be completed within the next 5 years, says Prabha Chandra Taro, EM of KAL. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. To fulfill the aspirations of Twin Hills Autonomous Council, KAL and NCHSC had been demanding the implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution since the last 3 decades. Agitations and dharnas were carried out at Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao as well as at national capital Delhi continuously since 1980s, reiterating their demands for making KAL and NCHSA an autonomous state, which is their constitutional right. Likewise, on 8th of August, a sit-in demonstration at Jantar Mantar, Delhi was organized to reiterate the demand of implementing Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. The sit-in demonstration was chaired by Ajit Timong, chairman of Kanchaskom, and notable students and social organization of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao like KSA, DSU, Karbi Riso Adorbar, Karsa, Kuya, Lalung Adorbar, Karbi Adorbar, and many more participated at a sit-in demonstration held at Jantar Mantar, Delhi on Monday.
Bang horo ko thong sedak alang tum non chesong bon bomlo na selang tum hempen chiu sidak dihi rong supi mate India adet capital along dak Jantar Mantar along selang tum non.
Horan Singhbei, Member of Parliament, and Surjo Rongphar, Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, also made their presence at the event. Surjo Rongphar, EM of KAL, while delivering his speech, said the struggle for autonomous state began from 1986 and till date we are doing it without any rest. The autonomous state movement had completed 36 years today, yet there is no any sign for the implementation of Article 244A at the parliament.
Artikel 244A Jabang Institusipan ini biasa bagaimana? Kami labang so kasi sung ang lumabang labang ke dahil mati pa doer atinang so.
Thang Sing Timong, President of Karbi Students Association, while speaking to us, said it is not the time to boast who initiated the statehood movement. It's time to stay united and pressurize the ruling government to fulfill the aspirations of the Twin Autonomous Council.
Of our country throughout the world, and now at present I am proud of saying that now the entire world identifies us that we are from Modi's country. Only this is we get so that is because of Modi's identified under such a strong leadership, under such an able leadership, so I am sure that we will I conclude, and before conclusion, I would like to raise our slogan. So we will be just standing up to accompany. No to the masses! No to
Ajit Timong, Chairman of Kanchaskom, appeals all the citizens of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao to stand under one roof and support the demand for autonomous state rather than criticizing the autonomous state movement. Here is the visual.
ya boleh kita berke kalau sampai cukup dah saya cinta tak boleh dah ye bazaar kuli ye lakukan kita pasal foto kita sekolah lama ninja kali ninja ke tanggal itu lakukan itu tujuan macam ini cuma parti lok lepas ini salam kali atau kalau political party non political organization social organization dalam kehidupan dalam data politik kalau data politik kita ini cuma mau kita cari satu untuk
Considering this report from Delhi for Karbing Long Life. As part of the vision of Richard Dogby, EM of Education, to transform educational atmosphere at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, a visit crew MSc from Jintong constituency is also working tirelessly to revolutionize the current educational scenario and ensure all the educational institutions are equipped with full-fledged teaching staff. On 7th of August around 8 p.m, an interactive session was organized at Jintong and discussed about the procedure against those teachers of lower primary schools who rose their salaries without performing their duties, and also against those employees who had actively participated in political parties during the election period. On this occasion, Saraswati Teronpi, teacher, Malongkisir LP School, and Sikap Hangchopi, teacher, Nongkeda LP School, took the opportunity to felicitate the MSc of Jintong constituency, Avijit Crew, with a Karbi souvenir. It was informed that the teachers of LP School under Jintong constituency discussed to give specific preference to their profession and avoid entertaining at any political parties. Therefore, Avijit Crow, MSc appeals the citizens of Jintong constituency to send their children to local educational institute rather than sending them to neighboring districts for education purpose from the following year. MSc Avijit Crow appeals the citizens of Jintong to work unitedly irrespective of their political background to transform the educational atmosphere within the district, and he assures to upgrade all the lower primary educational institute under Jintong constituency in the coming days. Marirong First report from Mulukunchi for Karbing Long Life. Right after the induction of Prabhat Chandra Taru into CM's cabinet as an executive member for Soil Conservation Department, he started visiting various offices of soil conservation. Likewise, on 5th of August, he visited the Office of Soil Conservation under Kohora Range. Prabhat Chandra Taru, EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, made his initial visit from Silonijan Range, followed by Daithor Range and Kohora Range. On 5th of August, when our correspondent questioned him about the works and progress in his department, he replied, "It is not possible to complete everything in short period, but would ensure that all the work would be completed within the next 5 years."
Pada bangke, ilitum neng kitenai, dynamic energy tiba dida, mate karbi kiro mune doktor tulira bangha, alang li nona kabinet along, mate nili fan executive member sedang hok pun loh, so na hok panil pana pia department an nili jumri dan iklim nai kedua lah, ilitum mana angka ketiwa long ketiwa 10,434 square kilometer above tu, lasi iboyet paklar perji po bangke ilitum pan lason afan provision abilang, bang an setami kidam tang frang executive
Also, when our correspondent asked about the postponement for the construction of Kajirong Hangpi Guest House, Kajirong Hangpi Memorial Gate, and extension of Kajirong Hangpi Children Park to EM Taro, he informed that he is not familiar with this project, and so far there is no any order or notice issued from the Soil Conservation Department regarding the project. Later, he expressed his gratitude for bringing this issue to his knowledge.
Labang a department ko pipen ma polam challo, labang jong si dak department pen polam bang ke nilicin nederlo, nilipanang kante, akapre department pen si laso bang an along egesom, kulo te haso department panca juna kopko, daga bang kote laso.
Zadim ke dak kohora long malah.
Kohora pustami a department kapre ketu pen kekle manenghang kabori nenghang tentu tahan ini.
When asked about the encroachment from Golaghat district, he informed that if the fact of encroachment turns out to be true, then eviction drive would be carried irrespective of any community.
Bangke ilitum kunane department alungle pusitami kachi rai tahailo mimi halaso kachi rai tingpen allocation duma bi malata chini nai jongsi soil conservation alungle long kopine encroacher to illegal ladak allotment kidu alungle kunane encroach kulte lage dorkar kulte eviction na koppo.
Jason Rongpar's report from Dolamara for Karbing Long Life. Thank you for watching Karbing Long Life. Have a great day.